back to my YouTube channel. You've probably seen me in this exact same outfit in my haul video. If you didn't see that video, then don't forget to check that video because it's just awesome. Now today I am going to be showing you guys how to make this jelly cube slime. This is my first time making jelly cube slime and I just thought of making a video on it since I heard that it was an Instagram trend and I've seen lots of YouTubers do it, so I thought of giving it a try as well. But I thought of putting my own spin to it, making it candy cane scented. Now I don't know who the original creator of this slime is, so all the credit definitely goes to the person who created this slime because it's really fun to play with. Now if you're new to my channel and you enjoy my content, then don't forget to subscribe to my channel, and without further ado, let's get on to the video. Okay, so let's get started making our slime. You will be needing Mr. Clean's Magic Eraser Sponge. So all I'm going to do is take the big portion of the sponge and set it aside. And to the other two portions, you want to stack it one on top of each other to make sure you have the perfect size cubes. And all you want to do is go ahead and cut that into cubes. You could do big cubes, medium-sized cubes, or tiny cubes, whichever size you'd like. So all I'm going to be doing is finish cutting up my cubes and then we'll proceed with the next step. Okay, so I finished cutting up my portion of sponge into cubes. Now these many cubes is actually too much. I kind of overdid it, but do make sure to have measure out how many cubes you want. So yeah, so anyways, in a medium-sized mixing bowl, I'm just gonna go ahead and add in some clear glue. Now I couldn't find clear glue anywhere in any store I went, so I just used this clear glue gel. It's not the same because it is kind of foggy, so I don't know if it's going to turn clear or not, but if you get your hands on the clear glue Elementary School glue, then use that because it works way better. So I'm just going to finish squeezing out all the glue from this bottle and then we'll proceed with the next step. So this is the time where you could dye your glue. Now you could dye it any color you want, but I wanted to dye my slime pink because I've never made any slime yet that's pink colored, so I just wanted to try something new. So once you squeezed out the amount of color you want, go ahead and mix this all together using a spoon or a spatula. Do remember to add a little bit of color at times so you can reach the perfect color of your choice. Don't add too much or else it's gonna be too dark, so just add a little bit at a time. So after you're done mixing that together, go ahead and add in a half a teaspoon of baking soda. What this is going to do is activate our contact solution once we add it into our slime, so don't forget to do that. And then of course, don't forget to mix it all together. Once you did that, go ahead and add in your contact solution to activate your slime and your baking soda so it turns into slime. So I'm just gonna go ahead and eyeball about 2 tablespoons, and yes, I'm putting in a measuring cup, but that's actually supposed to be my spoon, so yeah. And then of course mix it all together until it forms a slimy solution. Don't forget, add a little bit of contact solution at a time just to make sure you don't put too much or else your slime will turn into rock. So just add a little bit at a time until it turns into slime. And then when you feel comfortable with your slime, go ahead and pick it up and start kneading in your hands just to make sure everything is well combined. Here comes my favorite part, making it into jelly cube slime. Go ahead and add in all of your cubes, well not all of them, some a little bit at a time, and then just mix it together. And by accident, if your cubes break apart and rip while you're mixing it, don't worry because that's meant to happen when you play with it anyways. It's gonna break apart, but the only reason why we cut it in cubes is because if we put the entire sponge in, it's not gonna be easy to break apart with your hands. So you can mix this with your hands or a spatula and add as many cubes as your heart desires, and then your slime is ready to be played with and to be enjoyed. Now this is totally optional, but I'm just gonna go ahead and add in a little bit of candy cane fragrance oil. You could add any scent as you want. It's not it's totally optional. You do not have to do this step if you do not want to. So yeah, after you add that in, if you want to, if you don't, it's okay, then it's basically ready to play with. So this is your jelly cube slime, and I hope you guys enjoy. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys give this jelly cube slime recipe a try because it's super duper fun to play with. Now I'll see you guys in some upcoming videos, and don't forget to check that haul video out and my snow slime video, which is also going to be coming out. So don't forget to check those two videos, and I'll see you guys in an upcoming video. Bye guys!